Then he said that what was the fruit which he was forbidden to eat. And he, through certain indications, as if the fruit was sexual offense. And it was the fruit which he ate which was responsible for the future generations of man to start from there. And from that again, it is inferred that he was the first man, or at least that was the first couple. So that is also totally wrong. The Holy Quran doesn't say it was a sexual offense. Moreover, when we know positively from other verses of the Holy Quran that there was mankind already in existence long before Adam, then how could Adam and Eve only were the two people who didn't know what sex was and they didn't know it was an offense and all that? So it is all wrong to infer. Only you know, generally speaking, that they committed certain offense against the law of Allah which was revealed to them. Even if you want to interpret it as sexual offense, even if, we don't know anyway, then the situation that we conceive is this, that before that deliverance, before the revelation of Sharia, the law of God, every act was permissible. There were no taboos of any sort. Even sexual intimacy was not a crime until Allah told people that it was a crime. So there was no law, so no crime. So even if it were a sexual, we don't know at all what it was. But even if he says that there is an indication that it might be a sexual crime, then the crime came into being after the law was revealed. So we are not interested in what crime was committed. What we are interested in is the philosophy of crime. And the philosophy of crime is this, that when Allah makes His will clear to you, you do not violate that will. You do not break the law of Allah. That is crime, and that suffices. It's enough for us. The nature of particular crime is something which Allah did not reveal to us, and we are not interested in knowing what happened. Only we know that he worked against the will of Allah, and that's enough.